Hi everyone. So today we have Sujata Ranganathan. She is the author of Scrutinized Mission Memory Enhancer, and it's a book which I would say is rooted in the present, and yet it has a lot of different interesting elements. Today we are going to have a discussion about that. So before we begin with the discussion about the book, I would like to know a little bit about you. What do you do professionally and as an author, or what were the events that led to your becoming an author?
Yeah. Now I'm a career counselor. As of now, career for students of 8th to 12th standard grade students. I do career counseling. I have my own Leonara as a career counseling firm. I have my own. Then this writing, all these are my passion, right? It started a long back, but I didn't know that I have a passion of writing. So I started enrolling in self many events or online writing workshops and competition. Then I start, why can't I give a try? At that time, I came across Muhafi. You would have heard about Muhafi. It's a platform for writers, right? They were having a writing authoring program that was a 6-month program. So they helped me to find my how to write. So we all have a story in our mind. So putting it in a paper and doing it the proper way, that it matters a lot. I used to write when I write and submit in the many Indian writing projects, hashtag Kalakar. I used to do there also. That time I was not in a proper. I was not groomed up in like that somewhere, I have to say. So they had every week we used to talk with them. We have a session. Then there I gave my story and they helped me. But the story is mine. They helped me how to do it, how to proceed further. So with that thing I start. It was a dream for me to to write a story. So there everything started, and through Ink Feathers I published my story. Then this writing journey started and it got published. Yes, in July my book was out.
Okay. So, what was the inspiration for the story, or what was there any incident that inspired you to write this, or did you observe any happening, or basically what was the
Inspiration
background?
inspiration matlab, it is all about the students. As I'm a counselor, I've seen students the last minute study. Many and on that topic I started exploring in the Google. It's a thing now. I started and I found students used to take medicines, kuch drug which they remember empower karne ke liye, they used to do all these things. So I thought, why can't I take this as a thing and write a story? Many people will go to classes. This was something I found that was difference, and that was really shocking for me. It was equally when I saw in Google, there was it was equal to a drugs like thing. With the empower, it gives a boost for them. So I thought, why can't I take this as the story? And I just write a story on this. Let the story not only have the medical, but it also have a friendship. Did you observe my story as a friendship? It is connected to friendship. So I want to mix everything, and I started creating the story. I think it has came very well. I have a few reviews. Many people liked it. There were few people, how this happened, or you have to write explore karna hai. Bola, theek hai. First book, it happens, right?
Right. But even I was not aware that students are doing this, that they take some kind of drugs or something, some medication to do that.
Yeah, that I just want to see how they last moment study, how they do students. That I was also shocked to see all these things in it, but I don't want to go to the extreme technical part. Because we have to do more explanation on that. So I thought, let me concentrate on this part. Let me have an idea. This is happening. So it is there.
So since the subtitle is Mission Memory Enhancer, so the students of today that you found out are taking all these drugs and everything. They are focusing on building memory. Is that what their target is, or what is the target?
It was, according to my story, the people, they are just that moment the memory power, the memory work should be more. It has to get enhanced so they can by heart read. So that was the people who are there, the doctor or scientist who are there. They were working on it. Said they want to give a trial. So at the end, it is not going to happen easily. It is not so easy to quit Apple. So that is the thing I want to think. These things are not to be believed. It is going to be harmful. And nowadays, we went into the COVID session, the vaccination took, people have started saying about the side effects. So all these made me to mix and match and put it in my story as it got created. I don't want to give the simple, normal family story. I just want to give something mystery, a try.
Since now students, people remain students even after 25 years of their life. When they're preparing for various other government exams and all that, then why did you take a 17-year-old as the center point of discussion?
Nowadays, have you heard news about students studying for NEET exam get depressed? There were so many cases of that. See, they couldn't do it. The pressure was more for the student to that phase. Many were not able to take that mostly NEET exam. I don't want to in particular. These exams are so much for them. So I thought that age girl, they see the first transformation, the change, the pressure, everything starts there for them. So I thought, let me take I'll take a 17-year-old girl who is going to do a 12th exam. And I have seen many, as my daughter has just completed 12th standard, I've seen many of us friends, their JEE exam, they used to go for classes like something. 5 hours class continuously, padna, matlab, life mein aur bhi kuch hai, you have to, that also enjoy. You enjoy that also because you have to make yourself clear. As a counselor, I just want to say, not only academic, you have to have academic, that is the backbone. Uske saath saath thoda life mein you have to memory enhance, not by medicine, not by all this, and you can go your passion, relax karo, enjoy karo, that gives so much of free mind, and then you study. It will be very good. That is my thing. I have seen so many students taking that pressure. Even I saw my daughter she did for designs, but the pressure, the padna hai, class attend karna, they were there. That pressure was there with them. So I thought, this is the starting stage of the pressure bacche zyada lete. And college, they'll be a little bit free, enjoy karte na. And this I saw in many students. There's something has to be changed. I don't know how we are going to help them in the change. That there should be a change. Self-academic, you have to concentrate yourself, your passion. That gives you so much of happiness. That happiness will boost you, will give the energy. Then you can do well in academics also. But academics are must. But take it as a good way. That is
Can we say that 17, 18 is like the most impressionable stage? That is why this can happen more. And when a student crosses something like 21 or something, they won't experience the same thing, the same kind of pressure.
Yeah. This 17, 18 they, I don't know, they are not strong enough. They can't take the failure. Some students are there. They don't want, there are some students that say, I will try again and give my best. There are some, we have seen so many cases, right? And the force of dumping, you have to do it, you have to take it. All these kind of pressure, that says they can't take it. So there should be some type of schools, they should take only not education. Now their schools are taking counseling also. They have counselors, they sit and talk, they discuss about the student, they find it out and they clear it. But for my story, I took it this is the age which is very wise, everything, not in education, life. It is a phase, transforming phase. When you go to college, they'll know. Abhi schools are that they'll have that 1-2 year, they'll be a little bit enjoying. Then when they go to 21, so job time, that phase is a different one. But in 17, 18, this is the phase they are going to change. So I felt, let me take this, because we see all these entrance exams, and I've seen many students giving so much of entrance exams. Everything. Not only JEE, state ka exam, everything. They'll have a board. You can see, they'll just note it out. They'll start in January, then in March, they'll keep on giving so much exam. I think, okay, I appreciate their patience, everything, but sometimes it goes beyond the level. That is there.
It wouldn't be wrong to say that your experience has come into a lot of play over here when you were writing.
Little bit of experience, what I've heard, what I've seen, all these have come in with little bit of exploring. What I've done, that has come as a story for me. A story what mostly what we come across, we can get put fantasy kuch or dal sakte masala, but what we come into our life, we have seen many people studying very hard and they are not getting that, they get depressed, they take a break and they join, and some people study like the unko pasand ka course nahi diya, then they join somewhere something and they take a different track. We are seeing so much thing happening around. These are slowly, it gets into our mind and that comes out as a story. And I say, I believe in all friendship very much. So, isliye I took the friendship part in deep. You can see the 4 friends of Divya coming to helping out. And I believe in extended families too. We are away from our home, but we have a family, we have friends, they are traveling with us for more than 10 years. So they are like a family. Whatever happens in the house, it is like happy or sad, we be part of them. So I want to show that also. There is a friendship as well as there's also, I'm just taking it together.
And the neighbors are also involved, and even they are
Because that neighbor part is somewhat in my life. I have we have friends, our family, they're like an extended family. So so I thought, let me bring that also in the story.
In fact, that was Divya's actual relatives, like the Chacha Tau, they don't actually come into the picture.
Because they are, you can imagine that they are somewhere far away, they can't reach back. The people who are there, your neighbors, were friends close. So they are going to come in the picture.
When I was actually reading it, I did not even get this in mind. Yes, okay, Chacha Tau to aaya nahi. I did not even think that. And now that we are discussing how neighbors have literally, become a part of the family. So
see,
now
for me, my family is far away. They are in Chennai. So anything they have to fly away all the way here. But when I was not well, my friend, she was with me and she was taking care of me. So my daughter, so these were the impacts which we added in the story. It may be a medical thing, but these all family, understanding, friendship is always there, right? With family also, we should have understanding that is also a relation. Huh? Everything is a relation. Friendship is also a relation.
That is.
So I thought that is thinking that is.
How did you plan the structure of the story, or how did you come up with the plot line, or how did you decide the incident? Okay, this will be there, because you begin with what is supposed to be like somewhere later in the book, but you begin with Divya already in the hospital, which is like already you created an explosion in the beginning itself. How did you plan upon all of it?
First, I thought it's going to be a medical story somewhere. So it should start with some interesting something, mystery. Why? So I thought, let us start from the hospital. It was a flashback. My story starts with a little bit of flashback, right? It's appreciation that why that. But I thought, let us start with the why. The why do we get what happened, why is always making us think what is going to happen next, So I thought, why? So that why made me directly, if I said, she came to house, she fell, they went to doctor, it will be a slow. Let us start with the why. So she came, why she has come, what happened, how did it happen, who involved. So let me take it in that way. Thoda I made a rough sketch. Ye karna hai. So in between, let me have a friend circle, then my investigation friend, when essay. Let me make a crisscross, then end, we'll make it a collect and we'll finish it. And the finishing is not actual. She is in a recovery stage. She is not as a movie, just say, okay, then college guy. I say, I don't want to do it. That thoda was real fact. Na? What the impact has created her. I thought, yes, she is there. Her friends are there. So many people are there. So I even thought of not ending the case, but I felt, okay, now we nahi karna. I don't know whether I'm going to write the part 2 or not. Utna the investigation hone do, ek positive rehne do.
Because the way you have done it, it's pretty smooth. It's not like that Bollywood moment, she's all of a sudden back to life and everything is happily ever after. That's not exactly that is happening, and that's pretty much what happens in real life.
Yeah,
it's not something like all of a sudden everything is happy and everyone is happy and that's it. That's not there, and that is why your work is very realistic. It is very close to real life, and it's believable. That is the most important thing.
Yeah.
Because even
Yes,
after reading, even I was wondering, okay, some such experiments are really happening with students. So even I was, kind of lost in wonder.
Actually, what I thought my real thing was ना, I get the student last minute पढ़ने के लिए बच्चे क्या क्या करते हैं. When I explored these or explored for college students, वो level में था थोड़ा बहुत में. So I thought I took the investigation wala part. Then as so it is just a 17. If I can't go to the college, I don't know what's happening there exactly. So I took that part, and these people are want to make money. They're trying it. So I thought, and उनके अंदर भी एक twist रखने सोचा. Then only that I kept that part silent. And only they will come to know that that friend has cheated them, made use of this friendship. आगे तक they will never knew ना. In between, he only knew what I'm going to do. I want to make money. That बाकी दोनों they were so true. The two characters of the story, they were really true that इनको help करेंगे. He really has made effort. I'll also join my work, get known to the universe, everyone. But and they also know. So एक अच्छा friend भी है, एक selfish friend भी है उस story में. That was the thing.
And अगर दिव्या की बात करते हैं as a character, so according to you, is she a representative of the many like her, or you would say that she is a victim of science? How would you say it?
Victim of, can we say, she doesn't know. She was just a victim only. She was a victim. She believed in the teacher, who the person, everyone she believed. So they misused her, and as a specimen they used her.
So she can be also a representative of the innocent part of her age group.
Yes. Age, बच्चे पर कोई देखो, when a teacher or anyone talks very happy, nice and very friendly, and a neighbor, so they'll go on. So the days of communication, they were some friend है ना, a neighbor. She thought and she believed him, but it was what you said, innocence to be here also. But she told them also, no, I have to ask my dad everything. She will tell them, but then a belief system, everything was broken. When she comes out, she will know.
According to you, how can we protect such students like Divya and her friends? Because one of her friends was also involved in all these drugs.
Yeah. The friend, she had some emergency, she left. If not, she would have been there, and the story would have not happened. And that thing. One thing now, you should have a communication. You should have everything to your parents. That only I tell my daughter, everything. Your close friends and your parents. Anything, whatever you face, every day you go and tell them, you talk with them. That is the only way. Anything happens, anything. You have a very close friend. A close friend is a friend. आप कुछ भी कचरा बात करो तो सुनने का, then give a right solution. Go and talk with your parents, your dad, mom, which are comfortable. You just have to tell, because they know everything. गलत है, सही है, because that is the main thing I feel. I also tell my daughters, कुछ भी you tell me, no worry. If I feel wrong, I'll tell you it's wrong. But never ever hide anything. When you start doing it, that is a target for the person that इनसे कुछ भी बोलेंगे, she will not go and tell. Don't. You have a very good close friend. You will have at least 2 close friends, right? You can talk with them also, or your parents. That is I feel the communication matters everything. We have to talk. Not only for students, for us also.
But in many cases, I've also seen that students are not that closely bonded with their parents. I mean, they don't feel that comfort in telling them for whatever reasons. But they don't feel that kind of comfort. And moreover, teenage is one point of time in life when students or kids, they grow apart from their parents. They won't have that distance. Yes. That is like on a psychological level. How do we tackle that?
That is really difficult question. I also have to find the answer for that. They have to have a friend, a close friend, where it's be a true close friend. कुछ गलत हो रही, she has to help her. She has to tell, go contact this, tell your parents. There is a way. everything they won't share. My daughter also don't share everything to me. They have a friend, a very close friend. You have to be brave enough. You should not किसी को जाके बता दो. Shout out. That is the way. If not, that is very. We are seeing so many things. And day-to-day life, so many news are coming. ये पट बनने में मतलब as a women or something, we feel not the worries there. We have to face it anywhere or other. That is the thing. But you have to go and communicate. Tell your parents, tell your close friends. Don't keep it with yourself. That is going to create stress for you. Come on, speak out. It is the way. You shout when I speak. Somewhere you should speak it out. That is my way. That is it for the college or कोई भी student, कोई भी हो. Please shout out. That will be the best.
When we say for girls, yes, girls are talkative and they are, they just say easily. But when it comes to boys, men in our society are raised in that way that they don't share. It's like in their genetics or something. How would you suggest
they don't cry. They say we won't cry. They have so much of problems also. We go and talk, we share, or we shout, we do everything. They don't. They they also have friends, but I don't know how they're going to share. But they should also speak. Come out and speak. They have problems. Who said they don't have problems? We speak or we know. They will also have very close friend. Let it be any gender, boy or girl. They have whom they are comfortable. They have to go and talk, discuss. If it's a boy, then chalte baat karo na. That is the way you have to do. No, without talking, we can't deliver. Keeping inside and killing ourselves, it's better. Just discuss.
No.
That is there. If you're keeping inside, that gives a pressure, and one day you're going to spill everything out. That is not going to give a solution.
And it might be very late to
it will be very late.
make
Don't
anything
be late.
right by then.
Yes.
That's true.
But what you said is true. Boys, men, or they won't come out very easily.
It's
Because
very
they have
difficult
a
to make
cover.
me talk.
They have a cover. They think we should not tell. We don't cry. We don't. But they are also men. What we have, the same thing. It is going to be with them.
They have
to come
the
and talk.
societal compulsion. To
Yeah,
always
but
be
the problem is they don't come and talk. They think, so let's sit and discuss. But you have to be ready to face everything. That is the thing.
And I think they have this fear of judgment also. I am a man and I am talking about my emotions. That is seen as a weakness. For men. Maybe that is why they don't even openly speak.
Kuch hota hai, Shah Rukh Khan will tell Rani Mukherjee, I'm going to Mama's son and go to temple now, like that. That is story. When Rani Mukherjee comes and sees, this is your mama's place. What to do? Boys are not allowed to go to temple. But I think nowadays changes are coming. They have the friend leading and there are WhatsApp media. Also, you can use your social media in a very good way. You're able to talk, you type it and send. That is a way of communication. Our social media is not bad. It is, we can use, not the way I'm using it is going to be good or bad. I want to convey anything which I'm not able to, I'll type. Sometimes my daughter says, Mama, itna bada message with that nahi to. Somewhere I want to convey to you, right? That is the way
How about the title? How about the title Scrutinize? How did you decide upon
that also Google. I was typing this word. What is other word? What I don't want to have a simple title. I think I thought mission memory only. I wrote. I thought this is simple title. Title should be something catchy. So I don't know where I started, but I started Googling either somewhere. I found Scrutinize. It is screwing and exploring like things. I thought, chalo, like that thing. And the people, and when people in Muhafi also said, okay, this is nice, you keep the title. Then I need a tagline. Without tagline doesn't suit. So what to keep? Then I said mission memory enhanced. So
and
memory enhanced.
Scrutinize is also to have an overview of the society we are living in. Scrutiny of the kind of life that today's teenagers are having. Scrutiny of today's education system. Scrutiny of the scientific experiments that are being done. I mean, I took it that way, to be very honest.
Thank you that I also still added now.
Because initially I did not have any thought about the title. I thought, why Scrutinize? What does it mean? I said, so let's just read and find out. But when I read through, and
Suddenly,
then
what is happening? Why this happening? So I was going somewhere. Matlab, I was scrutinizing for my title. I can keep it on Twitter. Then I found this. Okay, let it have this title. But okay.
it actually
I
makes
just
sense. In the end, by
Yeah.
the time you finish the book, I mean, by the time I actually finished it, I was thinking about what I have read. And when I had to write the review also, I was thinking of how to write and what to say. So
Huh.
that was when it clicked me. कि, okay, how many
Okay.
multiple meanings food life can have? It was quite, like that aha moment for me,
Okay.
that realization.
Now, after finding the title, I didn't go and explore more. I said, okay,
Okay.
fixed la. Then this is my title. Just Jada under deep. If I start thinking, I'll stop doing. Jada thinking किया ना, then
Confusion होता है.
the work
I
will
know.
stop. Okay, अरे Jada, I'll start judging myself. So इतना judging नहीं करना है, तो इतना तो करना है बस. But I have a habit. I used to write and keep it and just leave it for some time. I will not touch anything. Then I'll get some idea and I'll drop inside and make all these changes. Then so I should say thanks. My dream, my a push was from Muhafi people, team of people. They were just behind me. हो गया, आज का हो गया. It was like an assignment. Like they were explaining what is a protagonist, what an antagonist, how to plot, how to. That was a few writers were talking. They used to tell about it. They gave outline what to do. Then they say, आप ये अभी तक दे दो, हो गया क्या? Then there was a push behind, a good push. So I started doing it. That made me to get this. If not, I would have. I don't know. I would have. There was a dream. But this is my second. A novel is first novel. First time I did a collection of poems. 21 poems something. A poetic launch. That was a simple collection of that was also a challenge. Every day one poem to write through Bookleaf Publications. I wrote that was 21 days, 21 poems. So that was thing. That was totally different. That was also a different experience. So I did, but story writing and 100 pages, it was little bit. I was write 3,000 words. वो भी लिखने के बाद वो कम करो, ज़्यादा करो. That used to happen with me. So I had a freedom. So you can write anything you want. No restriction numbers. So that gave me, चलो अभी तो ये करना ही नहीं. And I did it. When you have freedom, we can do anything. That is the thing.
So what message do you want to give through the book to the readers?
What is the message? ऐसे कुछ नहीं. मेरे book पढ़ लो. If there are any flaws and good, please let me know. Then I can my next thing. Sometime one my cousin said, Suja, you would have कुछ part में ना थोड़ा explain कर सकते. मैं बोला okay, but if I would explain more, people would have stopped reading there. उनको friendship पर ज़्यादा बता दिया होगा तो parents का extended family थोड़ा extend कर दिया होता तो if people would have stopped reading, वो interest चले जाता है. What do you say? I felt in that way, so I did it. He said, वो भी सही है. मतलब I'm just getting reviews from people. What I have to do? What it is जल्दी आप लोग समझ में आया क्या? Good God understood. You didn't understood what it is, and all these were reviews. I'm trying to get it. So I want people to just read it and give you their reviews.
I'm pretty sure they will read it because it's a very well written book, and I would not say it's like someone who's written for the first time. It seems like someone who's been like in good practice of writing and not the first time. Sure.
Yeah, and my close friend, she is in New Jersey. She told me, Suja, you start doing screenplay writing also. I said, yeah. So I will be karti just next. That will be also a good option. And my mom said it was not like a story. It was that I'm being the character and happening. So it was like that. I said, oh, that is a very great compliment.
More like you were actually witnessing the entire action and you were reporting it. Not like a news reporter, of course. But it did not seem, it might mean when I was reading it, it seemed like I'm seeing everything through my eyes.
Yeah, she told the same thing. It was not like a normal thing, reading a thing. I was there. That character was me that time. It was that character speaking what happened. It was like that. I said, wow, I think good. Thank you. That.
So how about your plans for the future? Are you planning to write anything else?
Yeah, थोड़ा बहुत explore, थोड़ा break लेती हूँ. I want to write something. I don't know. I've not decided what will be the next topic, theme or anything, what I'm going to take. But I'll do again. I'll write. Now I'm just more concentrated in video editing, learning in my career counseling का part वो सब मैं करने शुरू कर रही हूँ. तो वो सब I'm into the session of learning about editing. वो workshop भी attend कर चुका that I'm doing it. By side by say I'll not to think about writing it, but I'll write. Something now what now my mind is coming up to friendship and all these things. So I want to have a different story. So I'll write whatever thought comes, make a note. वहां से कुछ इनसे वाला अच्छा है उसके साथ डेवलप करना. I think it'll take a little bit of time, but I'll do.
And you just mentioned you've written some poetry also. What is the theme of the poetry?
No, it doesn't have a theme. I have to do a collection of poems. It's a poetic launch. Amazon में भी है. 21 का collection एक book like that. It was every day after that. The challenge was every day we have to write a poem, and end of the 21 day we have to submit to Bookleaf Publications. I gave them, and they published as a small booklet. It is also available in. And in that I wrote everything. It is about that everything was a friendship was there, leadership was there, transformation, and about a letter to my daughters. All the thing I tried to cover it, and I did it. That is a poem.
Say that the poetry collection is more like a reflection of your experience in life.
Yes. More of what inside me. It was everything was there. What the transformation, what I want, what I like about I love rain, I like traveling. Everything was there. The 21 poem was a gift for me. The thing what I did was gift. What was inside me, everything. I love my grandma. Poem. I love my daughters, my family, everything. There was 21. I think or be there, so I would have written. That there was a limit of 21, so I wrote 21.
It's really great to see you have such great talent. You are writing poetry on one side, then you've written prose also, and you're planning to write even more. So I guess it will be amazing to see more of your work. And since this Scrutinize was the first one, but still it did not come across as something that has been written by someone who's a debutant. We would not say that. So I guess that what you will be writing next will be, how do I put it? Like a very expert kind of
thing. You can also give some ideas, so I can think on that. But I need a time to work on it. इतना नहीं थोड़ा बहुत work करके उसको experiment और सब करके then I'll start implementing थोड़ा बहुत. Let me take my time. Now I don't want my thoughts are coming on friendship. All these things only that I want. See what is the theme, something, and then उसके साथ लिखना है.
Friendship is a very good subject actually, or it's pretty. I think it's always valid because friendship is something that everyone wants in life and somehow even has it.
I had another story. Maybe I may write with the 5 friends going out. There was a story, but that is there. It is in my mind. That may even happen. So I used to be going out. That was a story. Maybe I was deciding to write, but why not the work? कैसे connect करना है सब कुछ तो that is happening.
It takes time. I know it takes time, and it takes a lot of time to come up with a unique idea. Like
वो भी उसमें भी थोड़ा mystery तो होने के बाद it won't be interesting. पूरा करो तो everyone has a 5 friends, everyone has 6 friends, everyone goes out, but there's something has to be there in this.
हाँ ऐसा क्या हम करें कि
करें
वो करें कुछ ये रीडर को बस लगेगा
उसके बाद क्या होगा तो we have to put then I have to put the drum वो rough work करो then I have to climb everything plan it's will happen.
But I'm pretty sure you'll come up with something really interesting and something that will keep the reader.
So I have to if there is nothing interesting I won't be interested to write. So I should have something interesting तो अरे इसके बाद क्या होगा तो अपना भी interest level बढ़ना है उसमें.
Definitely.
That is there.
So with this, we have come to the end of today's session. It was great speaking to you, great talking to you, and a very delightful discussion, I would say. And far beyond Scrutinize, I've been able to understand you as a person and as a writer. And I hope I'll get to interview you again soon with your next book. And definitely would love to hear from you again.
Yeah, thanks also to connecting with you. We had a chat in Insta, but that made me very without doubt. No one would have known me. People know you in my close circle. When with you, and then I can go beyond. And that was the thing I want. I want to go a little bit beyond my close circle friends.
I hope so.
outside my friends, there is a world, right? But उन लोगों का भी मालूम होना चाहिए. So through you, I'm going to get known also. So I should thank you
I'll
again.
do
Nice
everything
meeting.
I can in my power to make you known to people
Yeah,
and
yeah, sure.
get you to
Thank
as
you.
many
Thank you.
people as
That-
I can.
Yes, yes, sure, sure. Thanks, thanks. I'm very
Great.
happy. And Navratri time we are doing this meet, and I'm very
Ah,
happy.
Let's hope that God has His best blessings upon us
Yeah,
and
yes.
you
Yes,
can
it'll
get
be-
known among people.
Yeah, thank
Great.
you. Really, that. Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks for
Nice
connecting
meeting you.
with
Yeah,
us.
we'll meet again soon. We'll meet.
Definitely,
With
definitely.
another book or another event, we'll meet soon. Sure.
Thank you. Thanks for
Thank
joining.
you.
Okay. Bye bye.
Bye. Bye.